Hello! So it's been 2 years since I last posted a makeup tutorial, but I've been getting asked for a while to make a new one, so here it is. I decided to go all out for this tutorial because I usually get asked about this look or look similar to it. It's not really a daily look, but it's nice for cosplay or just being extra, I guess. So to start, I've been using the Ultrafine brow pencil by COVERGIRL. I just shape and fill in my brows. And to prime my face, I've been using the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. And for my skin, I use the It Cosmetics CC cream. This video is actually my first time trying it out, so I don't really know how I feel about it yet, but I think it looked pretty okay. And to blend it, I just use a slightly damp beauty blender. And this is the concealer I always use, Infallible Full Wear by L'Oreal. And recently, normally I've been wearing only concealer on like my dark circles and discolored areas, but today we are being extra, so I use both. Then I take Airspun loose face powder and I use another beauty blender to set my cheek area, and then I just dust powder over the rest of my face to set it. It can look quite cakey in certain lights if you do too much, so be careful, but it does look good in pictures and videos. Normally I use a rose colored blush, but for this video I used Wet n Wild Coloricon, and I really hate the way my blush turned out in this video, but you know, it is what it is. Now I decided to do a little bit of light nose contour. I forgot to show what product I used, but it's a tiny mini Benefit bronzer. Now I take some Jeffree Star highlighter in the color Peach Goddess. This is something that I always do. I put it on the tip of my nose and my inner corner. And that's what the skin/face makeup looks like. And I forgot to put on contacts at the beginning of the video. I have quite a contact lens collection. I get most of my contacts from either Desio or Uniqso. I get asked a lot if contacts are hard to put in. They're not, it just takes some practice. I've been wearing them a long time for both eyesight and cosplay/aesthetic reasons. For eyeshadow, if I'm not doing a colorful eyeshadow look, I normally just take my matte Benefit bronzer and put it in my crease. And for my eyeliner, I use the e.l.f. liquid liner. I just put it on there and draw a wingy lid. When I draw my eyeliner, I try to kind of elongate the shape of my eye, so it might take some different tries to find a shape that works for your eye. For my bottom eyeliner, I use a L'Oreal Infallible eyeliner. And first I like to go in and fill in the gaps in between my top eyeliner and my eyelashes I just think it looks a little bit better. And then I start drawing the eyeliner on the outer corner of the eye. I like to use the smudgy tool too. And then I like to go in and make my tear duct look pointy for reasons. And then for the inner part of the eyeliner, I just follow my waterline and try to connect it to the outer part. So this is what my eyeliner looks like when it's completed. Now for lashes, I get all of my lashes from Amazon. I'll try to put some links to some ones that I like in the description, and I use Duo Clear White Lash Glue. One of the most important things I've learned for putting on fake eyelashes is to let the glue on the lash band get a little bit like half dried and sticky and tacky before you try to stick it onto your eye. It makes it way easier to place it and get it right. Also trimming the eyelash band if it's too long for your eye. This is kind of an extra step, but I'm taking some COVERGIRL brown liquid eyeliner and just drawing some extra bottom lashes on. This looks really nice for cosplay. And then taking some mascara to blend my fake eyelashes, and then some for my bottom eyelashes as well. For my lips, I'm taking Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in the shade Nudist Peach, and I'm creating a kind of base for my lipstick. Now I'm taking L'Oreal lipstick in Julianne's Red and applying it to the center of my lips to add color, and I'm just kind of spreading and blending it out to create a gradient fade effect. Ta-da! That's it. I thought I'd also take some time to add to this tutorial how I put my super long hair into wigs/wig caps, since I also get asked that a lot. The biggest thing is trying to make sure not to get the hair all bunched up, like not putting it in a bun, because you don't want all the hair density to be in one place. You want it to be kind of spread out so it's not quite as obvious under the wig. And also avoiding putting the hair on top, because you don't want it to look like you have a really huge head, but then at least it kind of looks like your wig has volume in the back this way. To apply the wig, I just press the front part where the bangs or the front of the hair is. I press it against my forehead. Then I just pull it all back and then kind of slowly and carefully try to tuck and flatten all the hair in there as best as I can. Then just restyling and neatening up the wig as usual. And yep, there you have it. Okay, thank you for watching. If you guys want to see more of this type of content, please let me know, because I don't really see myself as someone that's good at makeup, so I just feel kind of weird making these kind of videos. I pretty much only do it if people ask, but if people want them, then I'm fine with making them. You just have to let me know. And for people who might be new to my channel, I'm not primarily a makeup person. I do a lot of cosplay, but I mainly stream video games over on Twitch. My Twitch channel is twitch.tv/Emiru. Also, if anyone follows this tutorial and tries it, I would love to see it, so you can at me on Twitter, tag me on Instagram, whatever you want. I'm around, yeah. Thanks for watching. Goodbye!